Let us start by settling into a comfortable position. You might lie down on your back with your arms by your sides and your legs slightly apart. Or perhaps you're sitting in a comfortable chair with your feet flat on the floor and your hands resting on your lap. Now, gently close your eyes. Give yourself permission to slow down and be present for the duration of this meditation. We spend so much time lost in our minds, worrying about the past or future. Doing this can disconnect us from our body. We might lack awareness of physical states such as tension, fatigue, or discomfort. This practice is about helping us become more attuned to our bodily sensations, reconnecting mind and body. Let us start by taking a few breaths. Inhale and exhale gently and slowly through your nose. Allow yourself to relax with each breath. Now, shift your attention to your feet. Noticing any sensations that arise without trying to change them. Perhaps there is some tingling, pulsating, or heaviness. Moving your attention up now to your lower legs. Noticing the sensations in your calves and shins. Any warmth or coolness, tingling or aching. Let your muscles relax more and more with each breath. Bringing your awareness now to your knees. Allow your knees to become heavy as you inhale and exhale. Moving up to your thighs. Feeling the weight of your legs and the support underneath them. Letting your muscles relax more and more with each breath. Now, shifting your attention to the hips. Noticing the connection with the surface beneath you. Feel yourself sinking deeper and deeper into the bed or chair. Feel the weight of your body being fully supported. Let this sense of relaxation spread slowly through your lower body. Next, shift your awareness to your abdomen. Notice the rise and fall of your breath with every inhale and exhale. Bringing your attention now to your chest. Making room for any sensations that arise, leaning into them without trying to change them. Moving down to your hands, becoming aware of any sensations in your fingers, palms, and the backs of your hands. Any tingling, pulsing, warmth, coolness. Noticing the weight of your hands as they sink into the surface beneath you. Allow your hands to feel heavy and more relaxed with each breath. Shifting your attention to your lower arms. Inhaling and exhaling, noticing any sensations that arise. Moving up to your elbows. Noticing any sensations here. Moving your awareness now to your upper arms, noticing any sensations here. Shifting your attention to your shoulders. Noticing any sensations of tightness or relaxation in this area. Allow your shoulders to soften and release with each exhale. Moving up to your neck, becoming aware of any sensations or tension here. Bringing your awareness now to your face. Allow your facial muscles to relax. Let go of any tension with every exhale. Now, broadening your awareness to your whole body. Feeling the weight of your body as you sink into the surface beneath you, take a few moments to rest in this state of relaxation. Breathing slowly and gently in and out of your nose. Whenever you're ready, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and gently stretch your body. When you're ready, gently open your eyes.